All right, in my opinion, every campground is gonna need water. And if you don't have water at your campground, you're gonna need a water solution. This is a 5-gallon water jug that comes with a hose. So think you can have it be an outdoor shower, you can do dishes with it, you can rinse off things with it, you can spray your kids down with it. That's probably the best thing that we're gonna do. But think, I mean, it's a 5-gallon jug of water. And you can bring it to the beach if you need to, spray your shoes off with it, spray your toes off with it, but it can act as a shower or it can act as a campground water spigot, and that's what we're gonna use it for. So let me show you how it works. Right here, you have this as your power, and it just pulls out and slides out just like that. And you charge it with a USB-C right here. So you can plug in a USB-C. It charges pretty quickly, actually. We're at 100% charge, so I don't need to charge anymore. And then you just align it and see that little thing right there, and then little plastic rise right there. You're gonna line it with that, and you just stick that in, just like so. And then you have a power button. You just press and hold on to it. It should give me power. Okay, let's go back to, you insert it right here, and you line the lines up like that, and then you have to twist. And as you twist, you just think of it like you're turning it on. So you press and hold down that power. We're at 100%, and that creates the pump inside of here. To turn it off, you just press and hold. I'm gonna actually show you what the pump looks like. So it's just a little pump right here. It's not gonna be too high power, but it's gonna give you enough to use this hose. The pump, you can see it is right here. So that's the suction right there. You just stick that in there, you fill it with water. I let this water sit out in the sun so it kind of bakes, because if I'm gonna use it as a shower, that's getting that solar sun is really good. It can get hot, it can heat up. I use the sun as my heater. And sometimes the sun can make this a little bit too hot, but that's all right. I'd rather have it hot than cold, especially if you're using this as a shower. Now, the cool thing about this guy right here is it's just a quick connect. So you don't have to use this guy, it comes with it, but if you lose it, you just get a little quick connect right here, put it in here, and you are good to go. Along with this one as well, this unhooks right here. So if for whatever reason you unhook it, you misplace it, you just have to get a 3/4 thread right here and a hose. You can hook it all up. Now, obviously we're not going to be losing stuff. We don't want to recommend losing stuff. And then the last thing that you do have on this is you have a normal water jug. So if you just wanted to pour out some drinking water right here, you can use it that way as well. So let's actually see how good of a spray this is. So we're gonna turn it on, press and hold. Now we got it turned on. All right, the first time you're gonna do it, you're gonna get all the air bubbles out. That's on mist. So again, just the mere fact that we can actually do that. So here we go. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna get air bubbles out, you're gonna get these kinks out, and then there you go. That's enough to do dishes. That's enough to fill some cups, water cups. All right, there you go. Oh, that feels good. This is not a high pressure washer hose by any stretch of the imagination. It is not a garden hose. What it is, it's just gonna give you water. All right, so before I even show you what this does, you're gonna know this is not a high pressure washer. This is not a pressure washer. I'm at the campground, and now I can take a shower, I can do the dishes, I got water that has a little bit of pressure. Just look at that. That's not gonna get anything, right? You're not gonna be going out there watering your lawn. You're gonna be filling water bottles. You can fill water bottles with this. You can do the dishes with this. You can take a shower with this. If we kick it over to this shower, check that out. Now you got a shower. You have an outdoor shower that you can wash yourself off with. That's about how much pressure that you're gonna get with this thing, and that's what it's intended for. It's not intended for high pressure. It's intended for extremely low pressure, and it does a really good job at that. So showers, dishes, washing hands, all that kind of stuff at the campground, washing your feet. The battery is gonna last you all weekend long, and if you do need to charge it, you can always charge it with a USB-C. So this really 5-gallon water outdoor shower bucket comes in handy. It comes in really handy for all those practical terms. So if you're looking for something for your next beach visit, camping visit, or just RVing, this might come in handy with this 5-gallon outdoor water shower.